helps the voiceless creature. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Vet Tutorial. Today's video is all about one of the most used tools in clinical practice, that is IV cannula. From tiny kittens to strong stallions, choosing the right cannula size is key to safe and effective fluid therapy. So in this video, the topics which we are going to cover are detailed about the IV cannula from size, color, diameter to their clinical uses, then interesting way to remember the IV cannula size, color and the gauze, and lastly the interesting quiz. So the IV cannula or catheter is a flexible tube placed inside a vein to give fluids, medicines or take blood. In veterinary medicine, cannulas are essential in emergency care, fluid therapy, anesthesia and critical care. These colors actually tell you the gauge size, which helps you to choose the right one quickly in emergency. So let's try some interesting fun way to remember the gauge and the color code. So first let's make the sky or the clouds. In that there is a sun and below that the pink flower which has green leaves, and then the soil, and below the soil there is a lava. So above the clouds or above the sky there is a purple color, then sun yellow color, then sky blue color, then flower pink color, then leaves green color, then soil grey color and lava orange color. Minimum age for voting is 18 years, so write 18 gauge in front of the green, and then by subtracting the 2 we get the 16, that is grey, and then by reducing 2 we get 14, that is orange, and above the 18 we have to add plus 2, so for the pink 20 gauge, and by adding 2 then blue 22 gauge, and then yellow 24 gauge, and purple 26 gauge. I hope till now you have learned the color code and the gauge size. So advancing further, let's see the diameter, flow rate and the clinical use. First, the gauge 14, that is orange color, diameter is 2.1 mm and the flow rate is approximately 240 ml per minute, and the common use are large animals like cattle, buffaloes, rapid fluid resuscitation. Then gauge 16, that is grey color, diameter is 1.7 mm, then flow rate is approximately 180 ml per minute, and the clinical or the common use are large animals like cattle, buffaloes, horses, sheep, goats, and especially in traumas. Next is 18 gauge, that is green color. Its diameter is 1.3 mm and its flow rate is approximately 90 ml per minute. Its clinical use is sheep, goat, horses, pigs, and especially in fast fluid therapy. Then next is 20 gauge, which is pink color. Its diameter is 1.1 mm and its flow rate is approximately 60 ml per minute. And its clinical use is large to medium dogs, foals, pigs, and in general IV therapy. Then next is 22 gauge, which is blue color. Its diameter is 0.9 mm and its flow rate is approximately 35 ml per minute. Its clinical use is small to medium dogs, adult cats, and also in general IV therapy. Then next is 24 gauge, which is yellow color. Diameter is 0.7 mm and its flow rate is approximately 20 ml per minute. And its clinical use is neonates, puppies, kittens, and even very small dogs, then rabbits, etc. Next is 26 gauge, which is violet color. Diameter is 0.6 mm and its flow rate is approximately 13 ml per minute. And its clinical use is tiny patients like rabbits, rodents, neonates, animal, small birds, which has fragile veins. And lastly, let's see the quizzes. First question is large gauge number means options are bigger diameter cannula, smaller diameter cannula, longer cannula, or more flow rates. Then second question is what is common complication if cannula is left in too long? Options are first high blood pressure, second phlebitis or thrombosis, third hyperglycemia, or fourth hypothermia. Then last question is which gauge size is safest for the sick kitten needing IV fluid? First option 16 gauge, second option 18 gauge, third option 20 gauge, and fourth option 24 gauge. Comment the answers below in the comment box and I'll let you know the answers in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more such videos.